Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola One 5G Ace, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the accounts. Of course, here we've got the Google section with the services and preferences, and you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using this option. So let me tap on it, and here simply tap on add account. Choose of course Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course you can remove it whenever you want to, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Confirm it. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Motorola One 5G Ace. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.